welcome you back inside Studio B, where the South Coast is still chipping away at the 41 inches of snow that Monday's historic blizzard dumped in parts of Bristol County. Trust me, we know what you're feeling, and we are with you. I'm Dan Janik.
And I'm Tamara Zakarzik. Some of the roads are clear now, but side streets across Fall River, they are still buried. NBC 10's Nicole Mader joins us live in Fall River. She has seen a lot in her travels today. Nicole, are you stuck on a side street?
I am unfortunately stuck on a side street along with all of the residents who live on this side street. It's day 3 of the cleanup here in Fall River. The main roads are starting to be passable. The side streets, not so much. The road I am in right now remains untouched by a snowplow. Over 72 hours after that historic blizzard dumped tons of snow on Massachusetts' south coast. The cleanup process is slow.
Yesterday, me and my dad, we shoveled all day long.
Lots of side streets remain untouched, some only half plowed, blocked by huge snowbanks.
They plowed half the street, and then they just left the snowbank there. We got a resident, they're really old right there.
Which roads are plowed and which ones are snow covered? With so many questions, Fall River resident Matt Medeiros created an app to track the data.
Last night I saw former Mayor Will Flanagan post something on Facebook like it'd be great if there were some kind of city database or list of streets that were plowed. And I was like, I think I can put something together relatively quick.
Matt lives on this street right here. We tried to talk to him in person, but as you can see, this road is impassable. There's even a plow stuck in the snow behind me. A lot of streets in Fall River look just like this one. We couldn't get to him, so we talked to him on Zoom instead.
It's all citizen data, so you go in and you vote on if your street is plowed or not. Is that the way that it works?
Yeah, that's correct. So the street information comes from the Massachusetts GIS database. It's plotted on OpenStreet map view for folks to kind of pinch and zoom in and see the streets that are plowed or not plowed.
He says the app has taken on a life of its own.
About, at this time of this recording, about 55,000 page views to the app, just under 10,000 votes.
And that according to his data, most streets are not passable. So city workers and city leaders are asking for patience as they work to get these roads clear. Fall River has literally never seen this much snow before. There's a lot of it, and it's just going to take some time to get plows down the streets, to move the snow out of the way, and to get things a little bit more open than they are clearly right now. Live in Fall River, Nicole Mader, NBC 10 News.